Hey guys, today we're going to talk more about dictionary skills and alphabetizing and how guide words help you find which page a word is on in the dictionary alphabetically. This can be a little bit of a tricky concept, so you might have to watch this video twice. So pay close attention to this concept and we'll talk about that now. Dictionary skills and alphabetizing. A dictionary tells us the meaning of words. A dictionary is set up in alphabetical order. This helps us find words quickly. Now, what are guide words? Guide words tell you the first and last entry words that appear on the page. So here we have the word pear as the first entry word because it's the first word on the page, pear. Alphabetically, that's first. P-A-I. I comes first. Pancake is the last word on the page because alphabetically that comes last. P-A-N. So look over here at my alphabet. P-A-I comes first. P-A-N comes last. But notice they all start with P and A. That's what makes it a little bit tricky in the dictionary because you have to alphabetize sometimes to the third, fourth letter and beyond to find where a word falls. So your goal is to figure out where is the word palace. Okay, does it fall between the words pear and pancake? So here's the word palace. Is it between pear and pancake? Yes, because look over here at my dictionary. Does L fall between I and N, those third letters? Yes. So palace falls between pear and pancake. That's why it's on this page alphabetically. So we had to look at the third letters here. So go ahead and you might want to skip back and listen to me go over that again. If you don't understand, just replay that part. Otherwise, if you're ready to move on, let's do some examples. All right, look at the word meat. Which page of the dictionary would that be on? Which guide words would be at the top of the page? Would the guide words maple and ministry or money and mustard? Which page would that fall between? So let's look at meat. They all start with M. What's the second letter here? M-E. Now look at the word money. Now the first guide word has to come before the word. Does the word money come before the word meat? Does the letter O come before the letter E? No. And then mustard is second. Now mustard could have been the second guide word because does M-U come after M-E? Yes. But this can't be the correct answer because M-O cannot come before M-E. So that must mean that maple and ministry here has to be the correct answer. Let's look at why. M-A. Does A come before E and M-E? Does A in the alphabet come before E in the alphabet? Yes. So this is the first guide word. Now the last word on the page, the second guide word, has to come after this word that we're trying to figure out if it goes on that page. So does M-I come after M-E? Yes. So does the word meat fall between maple and ministry? Yes, because does the letter E fall between A and I? Here's A. Here's I. Does E fall between? Yes. So go ahead and skip back and watch that part of me explaining that again if you need to. Otherwise, we're going to move on to another example. And there's the answer. Maple and ministry would be the correct guide words for meat, not money and mustard. Now here we have the word slap. And we're going to try to figure out, does slap come between slam and slide or slop and slurp? This example is a little trickier because now they all start with S-L. So let's look at SLO and SLU in slop and slurp. Now, does A in SLA, slap, does that come between O and U, such as in slop and slurp? Does A come between them? No. So this is the wrong answer. A comes before. Slap is not between slop and slurp, so it wouldn't be on this page in the dictionary. Now look at slam and slide. SLAM. Does SLAM come before SLAP? Does M come before P? Yes, because the first guide word has to come before this word. So that's correct. Now look at the second guide word, slide, which is the last page on the dictionary. Does slide come after slap? SLI come after SLA? Yes. So the first word comes before this word. The second word comes after this word. So is slap between slam and slide? Yes. So that's the correct answer. That's where that would fall in the dictionary. You might want to back up and listen to me explain that again if you need to. Otherwise, let's move on to another example. Chase. CH. Does that fall between can and core, or climb and cut? Let's look at climb and cut. We have CL and CU. Climb and cut. So here's an L for climb, and there's a U for cut. Climb and cut. Does CH, chase, does H fall between L and U? No, actually, chase comes before climb. So this can't be the correct answer because remember, our word here, chase, has to fall between climb and cut. Chase actually comes before climb and cut because the H is here. Okay? So that's why climb and cut cannot be the answer. Let's look now at can and core. CH. So can starts with CA. They all start with C. Core starts with O. CO. So does the H in chase, does that come between can, CA, and core, CO? Yes, because remember, the first word has to come before this word, and it does. The last word has to come after this word that we're trying to figure out. So can and core is our correct answer because chase comes between those words. Now let's look at the word haul down here at the bottom. Does haul come between hard and hark? Or does haul come between haste and have? Notice everything now starts with H and A. So let's look at H-A-R, hard, and H-A-R, hark. Now, can haul, H-A-U, can a U, where a word that has the letter U in it, can that fall between two R words? Can the U fall between an R? So this word has to come first. Hard has to come first, which it does come first before haul, but does the word hark come after the word haul? No, the word haul comes after that second word hark. So therefore this one is wrong. The first set, hard and hark. Let's look at haste and have. So we've got H-A-S and H-A-U. Does H-A-S come before H-A-U? Because remember, the first word has to come before our word that we're trying to figure out. So yes, it does. So far we're correct. Now the second word, have, has to come after our word, haul. So does the V in have come after the U in hall? Yes. So does our second word have come after our word hall? Yes. So that means this is the correct answer. Haste and have, because the word hall comes between haste and have, because the letter U comes between S and V. Let's do one final example. We have drainage and dread, or we have dread and drill, and we're trying to figure out where the word draw comes between. They all start with D and R, okay? So let's look at the first set, drainage and dread. All right, so we've got DRA and DRA. So we've got to figure out, does this word come before this word? Does DRAI come before DRAW? Yes. So drainage does come before draw. So far we're correct. Now let's look at dread. DRE. So this word has to come after draw. Does DRE come after DRA? Yes. So this is our correct answer. But let's look at why this second set is wrong. Does DRE and dread come before DRA? Does E come before A? No. So dread can't come before draw. Or dread should come before draw, but it doesn't. Therefore, this is the wrong answer. So drainage and dread is the correct answer because drainage comes before draw, dread comes after draw. All right, boys and girls, I know that was a lot to learn, so you might actually need to watch that video twice. Let me know if you have any questions and go ahead and work through the rest of your items, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.